Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out today's video. Today's gonna be a real simple and easy one. I wanna just get it done, get it out of the way. I've had the stuff sitting here for a little bit now, and so I'm just gonna knock it out. It's really cold outside today, so do a simple little install here in the garage. And what I'm doing today are the reflector deletes. The car is absolutely filthy, but we finally got the tint done. You can see I washed my car. I spent a lot of time washing my car the other day. And then when I got the windows tinted, they just kind of like let stuff drip down everywhere. And so I didn't really care. I took the car out, took it off, took it a little bit off-roading. I don't know what you would call it. I'll show you that video real quick. But I had a little fun with it, you know, figured I was out taking pictures of the car, found a cool little spot, sent it, whatever. But I gotta wash the car again anyway, so who cares? I think I definitely probably damaged the back wheel a little bit when I was having some fun with it. Right there, you can see a couple little scuff marks. So this wheel might be kind of screwed up, but I plan on either just swapping out wheels eventually or painting those. I think I might paint the stock wheels, but anyways, all the side windows look really good. The only issues that I'm having is with the texture on this front band. You can kind of see it doesn't look right. My lighting might be really throwing that off, but you can see where there was like air bubbles in it. So here's where it used to where it looks like this here now. This is how I would like it to look, but I guess it's not gonna be able to do that. So it's kind of releasing the air, and it's all gonna end up looking like this, which is fine if it's nice and uniform and it ends up looking like that all around. But you can also see here where it used to look like this, it's leaving like this residue line or something. It doesn't look right, so I might have to take it back and get the front strip redone, and I might also have to get the rear strip redone because I'm having some bubbles here, and it's hard to tell because of how dirty the glass is. But the rear window looks great. There's no issues with it except for these bubbles right here, and I was told they might go away. So if they do go away, it's not a big deal. If they, you know, just whatever. If they don't go away, I'll probably wait like a week or two. If they don't go away, then gonna have to take it back in because that is going to drive me nuts. There's 3 bubbles right there. But anyways, unfortunately the car is super dirty for this install. But all we're doing today is swapping out these reflectors. So again, I have the Reflector Delete here. This is an OEM part. I'll leave a link in the description for this if you want to get one for yourself. I got mine from Import Image. But basically we have a couple, there's going to be so much dirt. There's a couple of pop clips here. I believe 2 of them. Yeah, 1, 2, and that's it. There's 2 pop clips, and we're going to pull this back and we can replace our reflector. Okay, so all we have to do is pop out these pop clips, which are they're gonna be so dirty, but it's all right. We're just gonna pop those out. Second one is up top here. Pop that out and get underneath of it. There we go. And the rest should just pull out. And this whole panel will come off. You might want to open your door to do that, but once you're done that, you'll get inside here. There we go. Now you can reuse this one if you want. I'll just hang on to it because you do get an extra one in the kit. So it doesn't matter which one you use. You could reuse the factory one or use the extra one, but now we'll push these tabs in. This is the tricky part. And send it shooting across the garage. Then we can take our new blank one and put it in. It'll clip right into place, and then we can put the locking piece back in there. So we'll slide our locking clip back in and get the back on. Then we can reinstall our pop clips. Very simple install, very simple. And when it's not all dirty, you get the idea, you get what it would look like. Just be careful because this one did lose a clip. So if you lose a clip, you'll have to grab it and pull it back out of the bumper. Oh, my neighbor's over there revving up his Firebird. And hopefully you won't damage it, but you might. I just did a little bit, but it's still usable. Slide that back in there. All right, so here it is. You can see our tint. That 20% looks really, really, really good. When the sun's out, it won't look this dark, but for the most part, that looks really good. And there you can see our reflector deletes in action. They look really nice. I wouldn't say they look really nice. They just look better than the red reflector in there. So there you have it. That is the car with the reflectors installed and the tint done. This car just needed the tint so bad. I'm so happy that it's done. Hopefully I don't have to go get anything fixed or redone, but there's the reflector now. I mean, how much better is that when you're not seeing that ugly reflector on the side there? Well guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I appreciate you checking it out. As I said, if you're interested in the reflector deletes, I will leave a link in the description for them, but that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.